Hi, I'm Anthony Castelli, a Cincinnati car accident attorney practicing Ohio law, and I'd like to talk to you about 5 ways that you can seek to maximize the value of your personal injury case. Number 1, if you're in a car accident, you need to get competent medical attention right away. So make sure you follow your doctor's advice until you feel that it's just not working. And if you feel you're not getting any better, you certainly have the right to get a second opinion. In fact, ask your own doctor. Just say, "Doc, I just don't feel like I'm making any progress. Can you send me to somebody who might have a second opinion?" They won't get mad about that. Number 2, keep a journal so that you can know the important things that have happened to you and how this has affected your life. I don't mean to be wedded to this 24 hours, but at the end of the week, put down, when I'm getting out of bed, I was just having a lot of back pain. I couldn't sleep all night. I couldn't pick up my child. I couldn't do the yard work. I couldn't do the laundry. Anything, how your life's impaired. Keep notice of that. Number 3, don't exaggerate your injury. Let your injury be what it is. I have clients that I'll ask them on a scale of 0 to 10, and this will be asked in a deposition too, and I prepare them for this though. On a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being no pain, 10 being the worst pain imaginable that'll take you to the hospital, what is your pain level today as we sit here? And they'll say 10. Well, by definition, a 10 is you're not sitting here, you're at the hospital begging for some relief because your pain is so terrible. So be careful. People have a way to, and I understand it, but you got to be careful the words that you use, and certainly don't ever intentionally exaggerate anything. Number 4, if there is a change in your medical care and treatment, you have a new test, your doctor refers you to somewhere else, you get back readmitted to the hospital for whatever reason, make sure your attorney knows about that. We need to know these things so we can stay abreast of your case, get that information, and we like to update the insurance companies we're dealing with so they up their reserve, which is a technical term. I'd explain it to you, but it'd take too long. But it helps, again, potentially maximize the value of your case. Number 5, coming from an attorney, it's kind of self-serving, but if you got a serious injury, I think that you should seriously consider hiring an experienced personal injury attorney. The statistics show that if you've got an experienced personal injury attorney, that your settlement's going to be 2 to 3 times higher, not in every case, but the chances are that it will, and for the very reason that you have somebody that can give you some power, and you just don't have to take or leave what the insurance company offers, and the insurance company knows you're serious. So that's my tips for you in your car accident case and how to maximize the value the best you can. Thank you very much. I'm Anthony Castelli. You can call me at 621-2345. I'd be happy to answer your questions. It doesn't cost you a thing just to call and check in and find out what your rights are. Thank you so much.